Hello everyone, this is Jaisim Reddy and this is my presentation about System Analysis and Design class project. The organization that I have chosen is the double maps which we use every day for our transportations and the blue line which the students of University of Memphis use. A brief organization and organizational overview is that the Double Maps is an app created by Indiana University students, which will be used to help the students and the visually impaired to track the real-time locations of the buses. It used to be a lot of time-taking process to wait for the bus without knowing when the bus would come or not. So the students of the Indiana University tried to create an app to take out this negative thing. As for the Blue Line, it is the bus transportation of the University of Memphis, and the double map is associated with the different transportation systems of different universities across the United States. The main scope and organizational strategy of double maps and blue line is the double map is a type of app which doesn't seek any money from the users, and their main focus is to helping out the students and the visually impaired to track the real-time location of the university buses and at what time of the bus will come and the arrival of and the estimated time of arrival. And the scope is with all these newly added features which I'm going to tell about this upcoming slides is that the double map and blue line services will be used by a wide number of students which in time helps the University of Memphis to broaden its reach. The already as-in features of this double map is they track the real-time location of the university buses. They can explain when the routes changes, and they also show the estimated time of arrival of the bus at each bus stop. The to be features which I think will be used to make this system better are by updating all the tracking devices and the trackers which are used in each of the bus, and adding more buses to the university's blue line, and adding more routes to the university's blue line. And there are so many glitches in the showing of the estimated arrival time, and by the software re-engineering, we must remove these glitches and many more. The benefits from this 2B system are it increases a lot of usage of double map application. Because of this new 2B features, there will be increase in the blue line transportation system, and because of the increase in the use of blue line transportation system, there will be reduced fuel charges for the students who use the university transportations in order to get from one point to the other point in the university, and it reduces a lot of pollution near the university, and it also may help University of Memphis to get more admission, which will be a huge contributing factor. The requirement gathering techniques that I have used in this project are surveys, interviews, user observation, and interface analysis. I have conducted a few surveys from the people who are using the Blue Line application, Blue Line transportation system, and the double map application are the students of University of Memphis, and I have surveyed them and I have known the problems within the system, and I have also conducted a few interviews with the students who use the both of the apps, and also I have interviewed a bus driver who I regularly use who I regularly talk to while riding these buses, and the user observation is also taken into consideration while making this 2B system features. The functional requirements are users will be able to know the exact real-time location of the buses, user will be able to understand the precise estimated time of arrival. And the non-functional requirements are somewhat like scalability, usability, and the performance. And the use case diagram for this above project is as follows. And here mainly the students and the Blue Line crew are the actors, because those are the directly involved people. We can see actors, and what the students and the Blue Line crew does is in the whole shape. And the data flow diagram is as follows. The student or the user will log in with the credentials, which from there the database of the double map retrieves the verifies the details, and the user must select the university, route, bus and bus stop, and they can also see the bus timings. They can check the estimated time of arrival, check capacity of the bus, and etc. These all of the data will be retrieved from the database of double map data. The entity relationship diagram of this project is as follows. In the student or user section, we can have a student name, student ID, student username. And where comes the Blue Line crew, there will be a change of routes, updating the capacity, updating if the bus is out of service. These all are the requirements and the things that the Blue Line crew does when they are on the bus and driving the bus. And they have a one-to-one relationship with the double maps data, because the Blue Line crew must continuously update their data in order to the student to see to students to see the routes, buses, the bus stop timings and time of arrival, and the change of shifts, etc. After the system design part, which is use case diagram, data flow diagrams, and the entity relationship diagrams, comes the testing part. After after the bugs are fixed through the software re-engineering. After the bugs are all sorted out, there will be a prototype which is completed. The new system will be sent to the testers. The testers then will use the white box and black box testing methods to determine the efficiency of the new to be system. And the final phase of the new system is the system implementation. As 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 I have said in the previous things, this project is a business process re-engineering. We will give a new update for this application in the Android and Apple stores, in which so that the users can uh, update the update the application directly through their phones, and then they can see all the features will be visible to them and can be used by the users. This phase can also be considered as the transition plan. Thank you.